Hello students. So as we have seen for standard 6 chapter number 1 phrases and sentence period number 5. So now we are going to 6 period number 6, that is chapter number 1.2 subject and predicate. So we have seen that subject and predicate means which has verb and along with it words. So let us see exercise first B. Separate the predicate from the subject in each of the following sentences. As I have given here answers, students, you just carefully read this. The court was stunned. So was stunned means what? The court is your here subject and was is a verb. That's why was stunned is your what? Predicate. They began to compete with each other in praising Akbar. They is a subject, began is verb. That's why remaining all part of the sentence is called what? Predicate. In the end, they went to Birbal. In the end is a remaining part, but and they is a subject. Went is verb. That's why went to Birbal is a predicate. That's a very healthy habit. Now here, students, sentence number 4. That's, yes, that's is a what? That is your subject. Is, that means that is, correct? So is a verb. That's why is a very healthy habit is your predicate. It helps me to impress my soul mate. Helps is a verb. That's why this remaining underlined part is called predicate. Sentence number 6. We don't believe in building nest. Don't is a verb. That's why underlined part is what called predicate. The chick learns many good habits from the mother. The chick is a subject. Learned many good habits from the mother is what? Predicate. So let us see sentence number 8. See above. Here above, look students. Just 1 minute. See 8 number, right? Can you help us? So now this is the interesting sentence, students. See, can is a verb and you is a subject. So can help us is a predicate and you your what? Subject. Here students, if you are underlining particular words, you may write below. If you are now, let us see sentence number 9 is, this year there were 3 new students in class 9th A. So this year there is a subject. You can underline there also, and that there below you can write subject. Where 3 new students in class 9th A. Here underline part what? Predicate. From where to 9th A. So here below you may mention predicate. Understood? So 10th number, look. To everyone's surprise, they proved to be outstanding player. Yes. Then prove is a verb. That's why proved to be outstanding player is what? Predicate. So students, example number, now we are looking what? 11. Yes. Are you looking? Look now. All the players were literally afraid of him. Were literally afraid of him is a predicate. Class 9th A had actually managed to get some bonus point. Had is a verb. That's why this remaining next part underline what? Predicate. 13 number. The team with the maximum point is the match. See students, wins is a verb. That's why wins the match. Here the team is your subject. Okay. 14 of this award were given posthumously. See, where is a verb. That's why underlined part is predicate. In the same town there lived a rich young man. Lived is a verb. That's why this underlined part is predicate. 16th number, money cannot bring it back. Cannot is a verb. Yes, so underlined part is a predicate. Here students, you can write underlined part predicate and money is a subject. Understood? So there also money, below money also you can write subject verb. Next, the editors would select the articles to be included. Would is a verb. That's why this underlined part is called predicate. A great volcanic eruption can change the landforms in an area. Can is a verb. That's why underlined part is what? Predicate. See 19th number. All surroundings island and coast were covered with hot ash. Where is a verb. This so underlined part is called predicate. All the surrounding island and coast, this all this sentence remaining non what underlined words are subject. 20 number, no life remain. Remain is verb, so only remain is predicate. No life is what? What is that? No life is subject. A few days later, a new island volcano broke water. Broke verb. That's why broke water is a predicate. And last number, growing children need a balanced nourishing diet. Need is a verb. That's why need a balanced and nourishing diet is called predicate. So we in this way we have seen subject and predicate. All sentences you will write in notebook and you will send to my WhatsApp number by completing today only. Understood, students? Okay, nice. So hope you students have understood these examples. Remaining sentences we'll see our next period, period number 7. Till you take care and complete this study. Thank you.